How to fix your BOFA Zelle transfer problem in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is open your BOFA application and sign in into your account. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and head on to the transfer Zelle from the bottom menu. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and click on Zelle activity, and it will show you all the list of pending, failed, and completed payments. You want to simply go ahead and check common issues and solutions to fix the problem. So for example, transfer pending too long, you just need to wait, or contact support, payment was canceled or declined, you might need to do it again. Incorrect recipient information, well, it is pretty straightforward, just enter the correct recipient information. Recipient not enrolled in Zelle, which means you need to ask for them to go ahead and enroll into Zelle. You can also simply go ahead and check if your limits have been reached. If none of it works, simply go ahead and contact Bank of America. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.